If you need to change your phone number on Booking.com, follow these simple steps to ensure your account information is up to date. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Booking.com website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select personal information. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled personal information or contact information. Click on this option to view your current details. Step 4. Update phone number. Find a section for your phone number. Delete the old number and enter your new phone number. Make sure to double check for accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, look for a Save or Update button and click it to confirm the changes. You may receive a confirmation email or message to verify the update. By following these steps, you can easily change your phone number on Booking.com. Keeping your contact information current ensures you receive important updates regarding your bookings.